5 seconds to go. Mr. Deputy Speaker, Sir, I support the bill presented by Sri Thomas. I belong to the rural area and therefore, without going very deep into the constitutional intricacies, I would like to cite an example which would make it very clear as to what will happen to the country if we do not pass this bill. If there are only 5 earning members in a family of 10 persons and the other 5 members are unemployed, it becomes impossible for the family to develop and it becomes weak from within and finally it disintegrates. Similarly, in the case of a country, if crores of people are unemployed, it not only affects the overall production of the country and reduces the purchasing capacity of the people, but also weakens the country. The most unfortunate thing is that it results in crisis of confidence and the people are disillusioned. And in the end, out of these evils, anarchy is born. If I say that a similar situation prevails in the country today, it will not be an exaggeration. In 1951, the number of unemployed people was about 51 or 52 lakhs. This figure increased to 280 lakhs in 1986-87 and at present it is 4 crores. And these figures are only of those who have registered themselves with the employment exchanges. Apart from them, there are crores of educated and illiterate people who are unemployed. Even if they are employed, it is on a part time basis, and if they are engaged on full time job, they are underemployed, as a result of which considerable amount of labor potential is being wasted and consequently our country is being weakened from within. We may have a shining exterior, but the country is decaying from within. This is because only a handful of people have reaped the benefits of the 5 year plans, and the rest of the crores of people have been deprived of it. The fruits of independence have not reached the Harijans and other weaker sections of the society. Even after 40 years of independence, there is an extraordinary gap between the rich and the poor in this country. We have, on the one hand, a handful of people enjoying unlimited pleasures, and on the other, there are crores of people leading a life of poverty, and the benefits of development have not reached them, and as a result of which, even after 40 years of independence, 42% of the people are living below the poverty line. The government may define poverty line as it wishes, but the real meaning is one who is not able to afford 2 square meals a day when one is hungry, and this can be felt and understood if one has a close look at the people living below the poverty line. It means not being able to afford medicines or medical aid. Living below poverty line means to be born under the open sky and to die like a worm. This is the definition of those living below the poverty line. Even after 40 years of independence, India is a country which is divided into two separate classes,